Hi, hello, and welcome to the course. This is the episode 1. In this episode, we will be discussing the syllabus and the important questions from the unit 1. As you can see, the syllabus, this is of three parts where professional practice and ethics, code of ethics, and introduction to GST. Depending on the subtopic, the questions were categorized. Professional practice and ethics, there are 5 questions. These are considered from the previous year questions too. Let me read out one by one. Define ethics and its significance in professional practice. How does adhering to ethical principles contribute to the reputation and success of a profession? Discuss the difference between professional ethics and personal ethics. How can professionals ensure their personal beliefs do not conflict with their professional obligations? What is the importance of a code of ethics in a profession? Explain the concepts of professionalism and professional responsibility as outlined in the code of ethics. Fourth question. Define conflict of interest and elaborate on its potential impact on ethical decision making in a professional setting. How can professionals address and mitigate conflicts of interest? Differentiate between a gift and bribery in a professional context. What are the ethical implications of accepting gifts in a professional relationship? Second subtopic, environmental breaches, negligence, and deficiencies in the state of art. There are 3 questions here. First question, explain the concept of environmental breaches in a profession practice. What are the responsibilities of professionals in ensuring environmental compliance? Second question, define negligence in the context of professional services. How can professionals avoid negligence and uphold a duty of care to their clients? Third question, discuss the challenges that arise when there are deficiencies in state of art, technology, or knowledge in the profession. How can professionals stay updated and address such deficiencies responsibly? Next part, it's whistle mechanism, whistleblowing, and protected disclosures. Define a whistle mechanism in an organization and its role in promoting ethical conduct. How can employees use this mechanism for protected disclosures? Second question, what is whistleblowing and why is it considered an important ethical practice? What protections should be provided to the whistleblowers in an organization? And the final part, introduction to GST and various roles of stakeholders. There are 5 questions here. First question, provide an overview of the goods and service tax GST system and its objectives. How does GST differ from the traditional tax system? Second question, discuss the roles of various stakeholders such as business, tax authorities, and consumers in the implementation and compliance of GST regulations. Third question, how can professionals such as accountants and consultants assist business in meeting their GST obligations? What are the consequences of non-compliance with GST regulations? Fourth question, how does GST influence business behavior towards environmentally sustainable practices? Discuss the potential benefit of GST incentives for promoting eco-friendly practices. Fifth question, define the concept of deficiencies in state of art and explain its relevance to the implementation of GST. How can professionals address and overcome deficiencies in GST system responsibly? As I mentioned, every question which is from the subtopic, it's all about 5 plus 3 plus 2 plus 5, which is a count of 15 questions from the first unit. I think you, as of now, you maybe realize that these questions are a bit similar to the previous year questions. Yes, of course. Like this, in these 15 questions, I maintained every each and topic from the unit one. So by just covering these 15 questions, we will be having a capability to answer any question from the unit one. For the upcoming episodes, a question by question will be explained further with the neat description of the answer. Stay tuned for that. If you are looking for a complete course which is completely for free on this topic, you can find it, the link in the description. That's a free course provided for students, and you can avail that. Thanks for the session or episode.